G'day collectors, today on the unboxings we're going back to the Holden days with a pair of road cars from Australia's finest. Well, unless you've been living under a rock for 10,000 years, you probably already know what's going on. We're doing another unboxing. We did something a little bit different this time. You might have seen Ben's unboxing of the supercars. I thought I'd grab the road cars and do the same sort of thing with those, and today we've actually got a HK Brougham and a VE SSV Commodore. Let's get stuck in, shall we? Rightio, well there you go. Let's go for a bit of a deep dive on each of these, shall we? Let's start with the old boy first. Okay, so this is a 1968 HK Brougham, as built by General Motors Holden of the time. A couple of fun little facts is they didn't actually want it to really have the moniker of Holden, so a lot of the stuff doesn't actually mention Holden at all in the literature of the time. This is actually our second Brougham. The first one was the Inca Gold one, and you might have seen the bit of the video that we did on that when we actually scanned the car and all that sort of stuff, which is kind of cool. This is the Burgundy Maroon version. It's a very 60s colour in my opinion. Still looks really cool. A couple of interesting details is the Brahms had a very thin gold pinstripe down the sides of it. We've managed to replicate that even though it's almost microscopic and hard to see, but we try and keep the details correct as we possibly can. This is also not the last of the Brahms that we'll be doing. Next one up is Tennyson Turquoise, so keep an eye out if you like that. I certainly like that colour. But yeah, if you're a fan of Brahms, if this is maybe a car that Dad had, or if you're a bit more my vintage, maybe Granddad had, get yourself one of these. Rightio, let's go and do the new one. And when I say new one, when you actually think about it, this is now a 20-year-old car, so not that new after all. It is, however, a VE SSV Commodore, done in atomic green, which is one of the colours that came out in the Series 1. We're working through all the colours of the Series 1, and once we kind of finish that, we'll be looking to do Series 2 stuff. That requires a bit of a modification to the moulds, so we're not really going to do that until we've completed everything. Definitely a bit of a cool car if you've had a VE, especially if you've had it in this colour, definitely something to get. I always like the VEs. VE, VF I think are probably my favourite Commodores. But yeah, apart from that, if you're interested, grab one from your stockist, or if you want to, you can grab them from us. If you've registered your interest on our website, you'll be getting a notification when they get to be released. Jump in quick, get yourself a Commodore. That's pretty much it for this round. Not a lot to talk about. It's basically just the two road cars. As always, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so you'll always be aware of what we're doing. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Keep on collecting. Right, bye.